Is your kitchen always a mess? With work, family, and other responsibilities to deal with, cleaning up can seem impossible. But it doesn't have to be this way. Here's a guide to help you keep a spotless kitchen no matter how busy you are. The first thing is to declutter your kitchen. Put the food and utensils where they belong. This makes the place easier to clean. Check your pantry and cabinets for unused or expired items every few months or so, and dispose of them. Now, here are some daily cleaning tasks that won't take up too much of your time. Number 1. Wipe down your countertops and stovetops after using them. This makes the place easier to clean. Number 2. Clean as you cook. This way, your pots, pans, and other cookingware won't accumulate and be too bothersome to deal with. Number 3. Clean up spills ASAP. The sooner you address them, the less stains you have to worry about. Number 4. Run the dishwasher daily. You can rinse the dishes beforehand to avoid food residue on your dishes. But you should be careful with delicate items like non-stick Teflon pans. You can rinse the dishes beforehand to avoid food residue on your dishes. Number 5. Clean the microwave by heating a bowl of water mixed with lemon or vinegar. The steam will loosen any food stuck inside. Number 6. Tidy up before you sleep. Be sure to put away food containers so you don't attract pests. There are a few weekly tasks you should do too. Mop up the kitchen floor and wipe the grime and dust off your appliances. You should also clean the kitchen sink. A mixture of baking soda and lemon juice will do. Use an old toothbrush scrub around the faucet and drain. And don't forget to wipe your cabinets and sanitize your waste bins at least once a month. If all these chores still seem impossible, don't worry. House cleaning services like Kung Fu Helper are here for you. Just contact us anytime and let's talk about how you can have a much cleaner and stress-free home.